Ironman. That's kind of catchy. It's got a nice ring to it. I mean, it's not technically accurate. The seat's a gold titanium alloy, but it's kind of evocative, the imagery, anyway.
Hi all, welcome to my hobby room. Welcome to John's Model Making. Today we have Ironman issue 10. This is the first shoulder joint. I don't think there's a great lot to it. A lot of friction pads just to complete the joints. At least then we start with the top part of the arm. We've done other parts of the arm already. Here we have what we've completed up to now. The elbow and the forearm. Just need to attach the hand. We've already done the hand, obviously. So we're doing the upper part of the arm, starting with the shoulder. But first of all, let's have a look at the comic. Okie doke. Now, issue 10 is a movie special introducing Ironman 2 with Iron Vanko as Whiplash. The film was a big success, as we all know. I also included Hammer, who's no, I won't call him an opponent, but he's a business, I suppose he is a business opponent of Tony Stark's. Here we get to have a look at the Black Widow, looking gorgeous as ever. And here we have the army of Vanko. Well, I call it the army of Vanko anyway, what Whiplash created with using the resources from Hammer. There we have the instructions on the shoulder joints, and then we have the comic version of Whiplash and Iron Vanko, which is a nice interesting read. Again, Whiplash, lovely artwork. And then issue 11, Build the Right Shoulder Joint 2 and Trip to the West, the Other Avengers. But anyway, enough of all that. Let's get on with the build. Let's get the parts out of the bag. We have the friction pads. Let's see if we can get these. Okie dokie, let's have a look at our parts list. Right, we have 10A, the shoulder joint. And these are all plastic, by the way. 2 10Bs joint washers, 10C joint cover. Now this one has an R in it, and this one is, oh sorry, R1 and R2. Now, looking at this, that's 10C and that is 10D, and we have 2 FM screws and nuts. And there we have the pad of friction pads, or friction discs as they call them. Okay, so first of all we need 10A, which is this one, and we need 2 of these pads. We just place these pads, yeah, the middle does come out over here like so. We need one on either side. That one has come off. Let's pop that one out. There we go. That one is off. So that is 10A complete. Now we need to do the joint washers. 2 of these. We put the pads on the smooth side. Like so. We can take the centre piece out in a second. Pop. Let's get one. There we go. And then we need to fit a joint washer 10B inside the joint cover 10C. That's 10D, this is 10C, and basically this lines up. We hold it that way, which fits a joint washer 10B inside the joint cover 10C. Bear in mind that the tabs on the outer part of 10B should be aligned inside 10C and 10D respectively, as shown in the image, to prevent them from turning once assembled. The smooth part of the friction disc goes on the outside. So that must go there, like so. And that one must go there. Yep, that's stopping it from moving. And that won't move there either. And you can see the difference between that one that has that post mounted in it, that one doesn't. That's 10C, that's 10D. Okay, doke. So to assemble the shoulder joint, the two covers 10C and 10D must be fitted to the shoulder joint 10A. So if I want 10D, and we want it this way around, like so, and then we need this one like so. Now I suppose that's the best way to put that, is put that there first, and then you can put that on top, like, let's get it lined up properly, like so. Okay, dokie. Then all we need to do is screw it all together. Now, one of these, there we go, should be shaped for the nut, like so. Can hold that like that and put the screw in this way and screw it together. Not too tight, otherwise it's not going to turn. There we go. Excellent. That is that complete. That's issue 10 complete. Well, there we go. That's issue 10 complete. That didn't take too long, did it? There we go. Anyway, I've got time to read the comment now. If you did like that, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell for all my latest videos and future videos. You can have a look at my playlist, see if there's anything there of interest for you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. See you soon. Bye.
I swear to God, I'll dismantle you, I'll soak your motherboard, I'll turn you into a wine rack.